Hello everyone. In this video we are going to discuss some previous year questions of JEE Mains. Okay. Now, it is given that a particle is moving in a circular track and its potential energy is a function of radius where k is a constant. Okay. So can I say we know when conservative forces are at work, this is minus du by dr. If I differentiate u with respect to r, minus k by 2, differentiation of r square will be minus 2 by r cube. Force then becomes minus k by r cube. Negative sign tells it's towards the center. So this force which is towards the center is probably responsible for providing us the centripetal force, correct? So can I say in magnitude it should be equal to mv square by r. So can I say mv square is equal to k by r square, divide by 2 on both sides. So can I say kinetic energy then is equal to k by 2r square. Potential energy is already given to us as minus k by 2r square. So total energy will be kinetic energy plus potential energy. So total energy will be 0, because if you add these two, you will get 0. Hence, answer to this question should be option 3. Now this question is also from JEE Mains 2018. It says there is a particle M, say moving with V0, strikes another particle initially at rest. After collision, this is before collision. Say situation after collision is this. If I write equations, this is linear momentum conservation. Correct? This is the first. If I use the information given that the final kinetic energy is 50% greater than the original, so if I do 3 by 2 of this is the final kinetic energy, and that can be written as so this is let me take a 2 here. This is the second equation. Okay, this is the second equation. Now we'll have to do some mathematical manipulations, right? So what I'm doing here is I'm squaring the first equation. ठीक है ना? और v1 स्क्वायर प्लस v2 स्क्वायर की जगह 3v0 स्क्वायर बाई 2 को हम रिप्लेस कर देते हैं, तो ये बन जाएगा माइनस v0 स्क्वायर बाई 2 इज इक्वल टू 2v1 v2. ये भी हमारे लिए एक अच्छा रिलेशन है. अब यहाँ पे क्या करें, देखो 3v0 स्क्वायर बाई 2, v2 स्क्वायर प्लस v1 स्क्वायर पहले से था, इधर पे माइनस 2v1 v2 कर दिए और इधर भी माइनस 2v1 v2 ऐड कर दिए. माइनस 2v1 v2 के जगह हम v0 बाई 2 लिख सकते हैं, सॉरी v0 स्क्वायर बाई 2 लिख सकते हैं, और ये पूरा चीज बन जाएगा v2 माइनस 1 का होल स्क्वायर. ये v2 माइनस v1 का होल स्क्वायर जो है ये बन जाएगा आपके लिए 2v0 स्क्वायर. तो v2 माइनस v1 जो है वो हो जाएगा प्लस माइनस रूट 2v0. तो हमसे पूछा गया था मैग्नीट्यूड, तो चाहे प्लस लो या माइनस लो, जो मैग्नीट्यूड रहेगा वो √2 V0 ही रहेगा, एंड हेंस द रिजल्ट विल बी। तो यहाँ पे मैथमेटिकल मैनिपुलेशंस थोड़ा ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट था। आई होप दिस इज क्लियर टू एवरीवन, राइट। इक्वेशंस अभी भी उसी तरह का है, मोमेंटम का, लीनियर मोमेंटम कंजर्वेशन से 1 आया, और काइनेटिक एनर्जी का जो रिलेशन दिया हुआ था उससे इक्वेशन 2 आया, वहीं से हम लोग V2 माइनस V1 को डेराइव किए, ठीक है। ओके, नाउ दिस क्वेश्चन इज फ्रॉम जेईई मेंस 2018। इसमें हर बार एक न्यूट्रॉन अपने से कुछ इंटीग्रल मास टाइम्स मास वाले एक न्यूक्लियस से कोलाइड कर रहा है, तो हम एक जनरल रिलेशन निकाल लेते हैं। एक न्यूट्रॉन है, वो nm मास के किसी न्यूक्लियस से कोलाइड करेगा तो कितना एनर्जी लॉस होगा फ्रैक्शन में। तो आफ्टर कोलिजन का सिचुएशन ये मान लेते हैं। एक इक्वेशन तो ये लिखेंगे, और वेलोसिटी ऑफ अप्रोच इज इक्वल टू वेलोसिटी ऑफ सेपरेशन। ये सेकंड इक्वेशन हो गया ई के इक्वेशन से। V2 then will turn out to be 2V0 1 plus n. V1 then will turn out to be so I can say K initial is delta K will be so delta K by K is, if you solve this you will get फोर n by n plus 1 square. केस 1 वो एक ड्यूटेरियम है तो 2 times the mass of न्यूट्रॉन रहा होगा, तो उस केस का जो फ्रैक्शनल लॉस है Pc वो हो जाएगा 8/3 स्क्वायर, तो हो जाएगा 8/9, दैट इज नियरली 0.89। सेकेंड केस, केस 2 कार्बन है तो 12 टाइम्स होगा, सो Pd विल बी 48 divided by 13 का स्क्वायर, that will be 169. This is nearly 0.28. Hence our answer will be option 1, right? This question that we are dealing with now is from JEE Mains 2017. It is given that force is equal to 60. Find that if the particle starts from rest, work done by force during first second. Can I say mass into acceleration is 60? So acceleration is 60. So dv by dt is 60 dt. Integrate from 0 to v. It will be from 0 to 1. V then is equal to 60 square by 2 from 0 to 1. V is equal to 3. So can I say work done will be kinetic energy at 1 seconds minus kinetic energy at 0 seconds. So this will be half into 1 into V square, और initial kinetic energy तो 0 था, तो work done will be 4.5 joules, right? It will be then option 1. Correct? We have utilized work energy theorem. Now this question is from JEE Mains 2016, a very long question. I'll tell you briefly about it. This PQ and QR is a rough surface. When ball is released from rest here, it comes again to rest here. But it is said that work done along this path PQ and work done from Q to R is same. And then we have to find out mu and we have to find out this Q. Okay, mu is also same for both the surface, for PQ and QR. So what I am saying, for PQ, work done by friction will be kinetic friction into displacement PQ. displacement along PQ. So I can say work done by friction will be, that is kinetic friction, so it will be mu mg cos 30, because normal will be mg cos 30 into PQ, and PQ is nothing but 2 by sin 30, right? It's 2 by sin 30. So work done by friction in this PQ is cot 30 is nothing but root 3, right? So this is work done by friction in PQ part. For QR part, work done by friction will be minus of mu mg, because now this is the kinetic friction, into QR, which is x. It has been told that these two work dones are same. These two work dones are same. So I can say so x is equal to 2 root 3. So x is nearly equal to 1.73. So this is 3.46. This is the value of x. Okay. Now, if I apply work energy theorem, from P to R, work done by friction plus work done by gravity will be equal to final kinetic energy 0 minus initial kinetic energy, which is 0. So work done by friction will be negative of work done by gravity. वर्क डन बाई फ्रिक्शन में हम वर्क डन बाई फ्रिक्शन इन क्यू आर को ही 2 टाइम्स लिख दे तो काम बन जाएगा. तो हम लिख सकते हैं -2 म्यू एम जी इंटू एक्स विच इज 2 रूट 3, नेगेटिव ऑफ वर्क डन बाई ग्रेविटी m इंटू जी इंटू वर्टिकल डिस्प्लेसमेंट विच इज 2. So mu then is equal to 1 by 2 root 3, and if I solve this, mu will be nearly 0.29. So two values that we were looking for in this question is mu, which is 0.29, x, which is nearly 3.46. If I look at the options, this is the most suitable option, so I would have marked option 3. Right, a very lengthy question, but if you just interpret it properly, can be solved within the time frame. Okay, this question is from JEE Mains 2016. In this case, a man is trying to burn fat by lifting up some mass. For that, it requires a mechanical energy of mg h, and he does it 1000 times. So E will be equal to 9.8 into 10 to the power 4. इतना मैकेनिकल एनर्जी चाहिए. Say energy supplied by fats is x. So 20% of x, that is 1/5 of x, should provide us the required mechanical energy. So x will be 5 times of this. So this will be, I think, 49 into 10 to the power 4. Now to give this much of energy, fats, the amount of fat that has to be burnt is 49 into 10 to the power 4 divided by 3.8 into 10 to the power 7, right? And this gives us the answer as, it's nearly this, and that matches with option 4. So option 4 is our required answer then. Now this question is from JEE Mains 2015. It says one of the particle is of mass m is moving with a speed of 2v, and another particle is moving of mass 2m is moving with a speed of v in y direction, and say they collide at this point, and after collision they become a single mass and they fly off. Okay, they become a single mass and fly off. Fine. If that is the case, If that is the case, can I say that mass has a component of Vx here, Vy here. So can I say from momentum conservation, so Vx is 2V by 3. Vy is 2V by 3. So K initial was, K final will be, can I say it will be Vx square plus Vy square? So Vx square plus Vy square will be 8V square by 9. So K final will be 4mv square by 3. Loss 3mv square minus 4mv square by 3. So loss then will be 5mv square by 3. Loss is 5mv square by 3. Right? हमको क्या निकालना है? Percentage. So can I say delta K by K initial? So this will be 5mv square by 3 divided by 3mv square into 100, क्योंकि परसेंटेज लॉस निकालना है. ये परसेंटेज लॉस आएगा 500 by 9%. और 500 by 9% को अगर हम सॉल्व करें तो कितना हो जाएगा? 55% के आसपास आ रहा है ना, 55.55 ऐसे ही आएगा. If I look at the options, the closest option is option 3. Hence I would have marked option 3. ठीक है ना? This question then came in JEE Mains 2014. The restoring force is given to us. The work done in stretching the unstretched rubber band by L is. So can I say work done by external plus work done by restoring? And if nothing is given, I assume that it is stretched slowly. So it will be 0. So work done external is negative of work done by restoring. So small amount of work done external is small amount of work done restoring. So work done external negative and restoring itself will be negative. So a negative again. So work done external will be let's integrate from 0 to L. If you see the options given, it is option 2 then. Required answer is option 2. Okay. So we'll end the video here. We'll come up with more PYQs in the next video. Thank you everyone.